So here to break all this down is NewsNation business contributor Lydia Moynihan. So Lydia, Wall Street seems to be happy with today's decision, but what about American people? How will this new rate hike affect all of us? All right. We're going to try to fix Lydia's audio here, but let's listen to a soundbite from today's press conference where Chair Powell said that this rate hike is appropriate. Let's listen.
Over coming months, we will be looking for compelling evidence that inflation is moving down, consistent with inflation returning to 2%. We anticipate that ongoing rate increases will be appropriate. The pace of those changes will continue to depend on the incoming data and the evolving outlook for the economy. Clearly, today's 75 basis point increase is an unusually large one, and I do not expect moves of this size to be common.
All right, Lydia, so we got your audio fixed there. We just heard. Let's go back to the first question. How is this going to affect all of us?
Yeah, desperate times calls for desperate measures, and that's certainly what we saw here today. And it's interesting, just moments after the Fed made this announcement, we saw some of the reverberations. So JP Morgan Chase, which is the largest bank in the U.S. that loans to businesses and to people, they said they're going to hike their interest rates. And we're going to see that all across the U.S. economy. Now, what does that mean for someone out there? Well, if you're a saver, it's good news for you. Your money is worth more now. You will get more interest in the bank. But if you're a borrower, you are going to owe more money on your debt. So that means if you have a car payment, if you have a student loan payment, it's going to cost you more money. If you have a mortgage and it's a readjustable rate, you could be looking at that rate go up 1, 2, 3 percentage points, which is thousands of dollars. And of course, the end goal here is to bring inflation down. And the idea is if you're spending more money on a mortgage, you're going to have less money to go out to eat, to go buy clothes and to go do fun things. And that means there's going to be fewer dollars chasing the same amount of goods. And hopefully that'll just lower some of the inflation.
All right, Lydia, so good for savers, bad for borrowers, but how soon can we expect to really start seeing the effects of this hike?
Yeah, I mean, the Fed is very focused on the long run. And so, it's interesting when the Fed says it's bringing down inflation. It's not like we're going to have 0% inflation next month. We will probably continue to see at least, 8% inflation. But the goal is that over the long term, we'll bring it down. So what they're saying is 2 years from now, we could be looking at inflation rates of 2.2%, which is a bit more normal. In the meantime, though, that means we're going to have pretty high inflation rates. And so we're going to continue to feel the pain. And 2 years feels like a long time from now if you are having to make those mortgage payments and you're having to make those car payments and you're not prepared for that.
Oh, yeah, certainly. Yeah, 2 years can certainly seem like a very long time. All right, Lydia, last question for you. We heard that sound today from the press conference. Well, do you think we're going to see more rate hikes this year if this doesn't maybe help?
Absolutely. And Jerome Powell, even signaled that today. So much of what he is supposed to do is give forward guidance. And he said, we're talking about how this 75 basis points hike is historic. He said he could do that again just next month. So, you mentioned at the beginning of the segment, the Fed was predicting, bringing inflation rates or bringing interest rates to 1.9. They basically doubled that. And so it sort of eroded their credibility when they give guidance. And so it's very reasonable to assume that we will see more hikes next month and potentially the month after.
All right. Yeah. So we could see even more. All right. Lydia Moynihan, thank you for that. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.